Now that the lockdown has reduced, it's not there anymore. Uttarakhand is open, Himachal is open. I think it's time that I put in saddle stays to my Xpulse, and that's why I have come to my friendly neighbor road service center. So these guys are called the Service Circle. This is located in Indirapuram, Ghaziabad. It's a small workshop, but beautiful, very friendly people, and they would do anything for you, right? So these are the guys who have actually made the saddle stays for me. I'll tell you why I have chosen to make it custom rather than buy it from different other manufacturers. They're already manufactured saddle stays. Let's get on with it. And guys, welcome to the channel. Right, so as you can see, the custom made saddle stays are here. So there are several features onto it. Number one, mounting it is extremely easy. So you can see here there are 4 screws to hold it pretty strongly on one side, and this side also has 4 screws. And the best part is this is completely modular. So the middle one, so this rod would connect from here to here in order to make it stronger in case of fall. But otherwise this is already stronger in the sense that the steel pipes are pretty strong and solid. So overall looks pretty nice in black. You can order in any color, by the way. If you order from here, I'll give all the details until later. So in the meantime, let's put this onto the bike. Right, so the side panels are going to open. One side is already open. Right, so this is the panel that goes off for the saddle stays. So these are the screws that would be needed to mount this. If you order, you would get all of these screws together along with the saddle stays itself. Yeah, so these are the 4 screws that need to be tightened. Right, so both the sides are now fitted. You can see. So the last piece of the puzzle is this. So this is the one that we were talking about. Pretty hard, pretty strong, and thick too. So it will go in like this, both ways they'll be screwing up. Yeah, so guys, you can see now it's all done. See the top view.